Hello, welcome. A quick one on this. Question 42, objective text of WASSCE 2024 May-June edition for Nigeria. Let's see if we can do this in a minute. A die is tossed once. We have to find the probability of getting a prime number. Probability depends on event and sample space. So from which pool are we picking the prime numbers? So let's start by indicating those pools. So we let our U represent what? Possible outcomes. So if that's the case, then the set is going to be, if you have a die, a Lulu die has 6 faces. So we're having possible outcomes is going to be 1 up to what? 6. Meaning the number of U we are required to find is what? 6. Then we can also let E equals to what? Prime numbers. So if E is the prime numbers, then let's list the set of possible prime numbers we can see within the set. We know 2 is the first prime number, followed by the 3, followed by 5, and I'm sure that is all. Then indicating the number of elements in the E will be 3. So fast forward, we know probability of E will be equals to the number of events E divided by the number of what? The sample space. So fast forward, you'll be having 3 divided by the sample space, which is what? 6. And I guess that will give us what? 1 out of 2. You definitely have a 50% chance of obtaining a prime number from the pool of what? 1 to 6. I guess you follow. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.